Hello everyone, welcome to the ITLS Academy. Today we are going to perform another experiment in an adulteration series in which we are going to detect a rhodamine B in a chili powder. Okay, what we have to detect? We have to detect a rhodamine B in a chili powder. Here, the adulterant is your rhodamine B and the sample is your red chili powder. Now, before starting this experiment, we have to know that what is this adulteration are. Simply, the adulteration are defined as addition of the substance into a food product so that the quantity of the food product increases, the flavor of the food color are enhanced and also enhance the color of the food product. But when our adulteration occurs, the quality of that food product are decreases and the nutritional value of the food product are also decreases. Okay, here the main aim of the addition of the rhodamine B into a chili powder is to enhance the color of that enhance the color of the red chili powder. We all know that the color of the food product are due to either natural or either artificial. When it is natural, then it does not create any problem. Okay, because it is natural color. So when we consume the natural color food product, then it does not cause any health issue. But when it is artificial means that the coloring agents are that are used is a man-made. They are what? They are a chemicals. So when a chemicals are added into the food product, somehow it affects the quality of the food product, and also when a consumer consume that artificial colored food product, then it can affect the health of the human being. Okay, so even the level of that artificial color are permeated by the FSSAI. Okay, like how much amount of that artificial color are added into the food product and what is the level of that artificial color, and even some food color are also banned by the FSSAI, like your rhodamine B, because it is carcinogenic in nature and it is also a neurogenetic dye. Carcinogenic means that it have a ability to cause a cancer into a human being. That's why it is banned by a FSSAI. But that manufacturer added that rhodamine B into a red chili powder to enhance its color, because they know that consumer will attract to the brighter color. Like for example, when you go to the market and buy a guava. Okay, now uh, in a shop you see a two type of the guava. One is your brighter green color and another one is your normal color, the natural color of that guava. But you will buy that brighter green color because they will attract you towards itself. Okay, you don't know that guava are what? They are artificially colored, but you buy what? That artificial colored guava. Now let's start the experiment. Now for performing this experiment, we required one chemical, that is your acetone. Okay, and we required this setup like weighing balance, that is your test tube, test tube stand, test tube holder, micropipette of 1000 microliter or 1 ml, micropipette tip, dropper, red chili powder, spatula, aluminum foil and weighing balance. Now what we have to do, we take a 2 gram of a sample, and in a 2 gram of sample we have to add a 5 ml of this acetone. Okay, if our rhodamine B are present into a red chili powder, then it turn what? Red color, which indicate that the presence of that rhodamine B. Now let's start the experiment. First of all, switch on the weight balance and put the aluminum foil into it. And don't forget to tear the weight of that aluminum foil. Now take a weight with the help of that spatula. You have to take around 2 gram. So this is around 2 gram. Then transfer this 2 gram red chili into a test tube. Transfer it very carefully. Okay. Now you have to add 5 ml of acetate into it. Sorry, 5 ml acetone, not acetate. 1, 2, 3. We have to take it 5 times because our micropipette is what? It is 1000 microliter. Okay. Then it is 5 ml. Now mix it properly. See that it differentiate into the two layer. The upper one is your like slightly orange color and the lower one is your red chili. Now this solution show us some reddish color. See that this is your reddish color, which indicate that our sample contain this rhodamine B. See, okay, you can see that it is like slightly red in color, which means that our sample are adulterant with what? Rhodamine B. We get a positive result. Okay, so this is about the detection of the rhodamine B in a red chili powder, and we get a positive result, which means that our sample contain a rhodamine B. So I hope you will understand. But if you have any query related to this experiment, you are free to ask me in a comment box, or for a further detail, you can follow the ITLS Academy on different platforms. That is your Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, WhatsApp, and LinkedIn. And subscribe our channel ITLS Academy on YouTube and get our app from a Google Play. You can also visit our website, that is www.itlsacademy.com. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe our channel.